Hey family, so we are doing a easy, simple recipe today. Just a quick lunch idea or even a dinner idea. If you don't want to spend too much time at the stove, you've been working, but you need something quick to eat, this is what it's going to be. This will help you out. It literally takes just less than 30 minutes to put everything together and then you'll be eating. So stay tuned.
Yeah. Not gonna make them dictate my life. So baby, if you got issues, yeah, don't you take them out of me. Honey, I think we lost the tower. Watch. Guess I'm not into you that much.
So I already washed my lettuce and I'm giving it a good little chop. And because I like my lettuce really fine and shredded like. And I'm also going to be dicing up some red onion, and the onion is going to go into the meat, and the lettuce of course is going to be one of the toppings at the end.
To someone who's got the tower.
For the meat, now you can use whatever meat you want to use, but I'm using the steak strips from Sam's Club, and that's how they come packaged individually in 3 sets of 4, I believe. So it's 4 packages of 3 steaks each in a package in the box. So I'm doing that, but then because I'm extra fat, I'm going to mix it with some ground beef. So you can go ahead and put this in the pot in a hot pan, skillet, whatever, frozen, and then it just starts to soften up, and then you can just chop it up just like I'm doing right here. And then I'm going to add in my ground beef, but you can do whatever you want to do. You know, it's totally up to you. It's do whatever work for you. Use whatever you got. And don't mind them hamburger patties over there to the side. My son did not want nachos, tacos, or anything of the kind. So he wanted me to make him some burgers. So that's what that is. So just don't pay that no mind over there. Thanks. So I added the onion, you guys. That's going to give it an amazing flavor. Oh my God, I love red onions. And also my seasoning. I just have a seasoning blend that I mix up a lot of different seasonings together, and it works for certain things, and this is one of them that it works for. So you can season it with whatever you want to season it with, but just the main seasonings would go in here, not too much, because I also put in a taco packet, just so it can have that taco flavor. So I don't like for the cheese and other stuff to be mixed into the meat inside the pot. I like a good layering of the different stuff. So I put my bait of chips down first, then my meat, and then the queso. Then the other toppings can go in whatever order, but as long as those 3 are touching, that's what I'm happy with. The chips, the meat, and the queso got to be together first for me. But then you can put your lettuce, your salsa, sour cream, cheese, jalapeno, and then you can add whatever else you want to. Like you can put tomatoes, guacamole, avocados, cucumbers, olives, whatever you want to add in this dish, You do you, boo. I done told y'all that. I know y'all gonna get tired of hearing me say that, but that's just what it is. Do and add and put what you like, take out what you don't. And there you have it. Now, if y'all are sleeping on this cheese right here, the hot jalapeno, habanero, y'all better wake up. That's all I got to say about that. So this is what we have, is our taco, nacho, steak salad, whatever y'all want to call it. It's good. That's what I'm going to call it. So if y'all love this recipe, I would like for you to return on next Wednesday. That's when I upload my videos, every Wednesday. And you'll see what I have next week. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for your support. Remember, stay blessed, drink plenty of water. It's getting hot. And mind your own freaking business. Thank you.